I do have this one here, though. That one's for my dad.
The dragonfly on Carrie Vandenberg Bastian's forearm is in memory of her father.
And he told me that was the moment that he realized like how resilient and full of life I was.
Today, she's at a consultation for new tattoos, permanent reminders of the biggest test of her resilience.
The feeling is like the world is crashing in around you.
At 37 years old, Carrie, a nurse, was diagnosed with breast cancer.
They were like, there's a good chance you're just stage 1 and we'll, get a mastectomy, you'll do some chemo and you'll be done.
But doctors found the cancer had spread. It was stage 4 since the beginning.
Unfortunately, with breast cancer, stage 4 is incurable. So that means that I will have cancer lifelong. And that was terrifying. There's no getting over this.
There's no getting over it, but with Lina Anderson's help, maybe Carrie can get through it.
It's such a transformative thing that you go through. Like, I look at myself in the mirror and I don't recognize myself.
With permanent makeup, Lina can bring back the color chemo has drained away.
And we just make sure that you look like yourself, but better.
Carrie will get the full chemo makeover at Daela in Northeast Portland. It includes lip blush.
And we mark out our lip blush procedure before we would ever tattoo it on someone.
Plus eyebrows and eyeliner.
I got this booby bag for us. It has all of my samples inside.
Awesome.
And areola restoration. That's a 3D tattoo that replicates the nipple and areola after a procedure like a mastectomy.
I've seen them on people and it just looks so real.
Most people want something that they were born with versus, the fun hearts or darker colors, but I do those as well.
Cosmetic tattoos are very different than conventional tattoos. Here, the pigment is placed just below the surface, and it'll last 1 to 2 years.
And then we are going to see that fade in a very natural, soft way so that we can reapply later if trends change, if people's faces change with age, if they want something different.
Lina says 80% of her areola restorations are cancer-related, and it looks so real, but remember, this is a tattoo.
It's made a huge difference in a lot of lives, and that's really important to me.
I just got to the hospital for my last day of chemo. Yay!
After finding Carrie on Instagram, Lina wanted to make a huge difference in her life. That's why all of Carrie's procedures will be free, saving her $5,000.
At this moment, I couldn't afford that with having to, do the treatments and not work at the moment.
Even more, Daela is asking the community for donations, and they'll match up to $3,000.
I'm speechless with how much you have given to me and my family.
We can't wait. We love it.
So the next time Carrie looks in the mirror,
went through something, tried to kill you, and it's just a reminder of how strong and resilient we can be.
She'll not only see herself, she'll see resilience. In Northeast Portland, Wesley Ogle, K2 News.